everyone. Tie the hairs from both the sides like this and then rotate it as shown in the video. After that, pull out the hairs from the sides as we are doing. After that, we will tie all the hairs together. Watch the video till the end and follow each steps along. After tying all the hairs, we will divide it from the between and then rotate it as shown in the video. After rotating it, we will fold it upward and then we will tie rest of the hairs around. Watch the video very carefully and don't miss out on any steps. After fixing it, we will tie rest of the hairs around and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs from the sides on the back like this and rotate it. Now we will tie all the hairs together. After that, tie it from the bottom as well. Fix it by rolling it upward. First rotate the hairs and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs on the back using a rubber band and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Tie both the sides. Now tie it from the between as well and then we will rotate the hairs. After rotating it using the hair styling tool, we will roll the hairs upward and fix it. After fixing the hairs, we will tie the plaits on rest of the hairs in the downside and then fix them on the alternative sides. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the back using a rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it using the rubber band. After that, fix them together into each other as shown in the video. Now after this, we will take the hairs from the sides again and tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video. After that, we will tie all the hairs together, make the plaits and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, we will tie it from the bottom as well and then fix it inside the hairs and make a bun. Fix it using the bun clips or the bun pin and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.